We'll go for the question answers. Does Pracharya can also mean Acharya, Sacharya? Yes, sir. Sudarshanacharya. It can also mean Acharya, Sacharya. Ushni Kritva can also mean Shitalam Ushni Kritva. No, no. In Ushni Kritva, we should use the Anushnam Ushnam Kritva Ushni Kritya. We should use in that same form. We cannot Shitam Ushnam Kritva will not become Ushni Kritya. That will not become like that. Antardhara. Antardhara is not a Gati Samasa. Whereas Antar has got a Gati Samya. That is right. We need to check whether Antardhara is a Gati Samasa. I don't, at this moment I am not sure whether, because in Gati most probably we get the Lebanta kind of a form. So let me check that and come back to you, Raghu Kumar Mahodaya. Okay, we will go for the oral questions. So I'll first lower all the hands. Then people who have questions can ask questions. Prachi Patel. Prachi Patel.
Yes, sir. So I have a question regarding Gati Samasa. So
Very good.
when the two padas are united, for example, Aswadum Swadu Krutva. So does all the time it becomes Dirgha? Swadu Krutya.
Yes. It becomes Dirgha. Very, very good observation.
Okay, that was it. Thank you.
Very good. Very good observation. Sitaram Subramanian.
Ram. Two Samasapadams, Ahoratram Udayastamanam. Will it be Vishesho Hayapadaha, like Sitoshnam?
Ahoratram
and Udayastamanam.
Udayastamanam. So it is a iteretara ahaha ahni ahani ahani. Anham cha ratrinam cha samaharaha ahoratram. Anham cha ratrinam cha samaharaha ahoratram.
So it will be Samahara Dvandha.
Dvandva.
Udayastamanam also?
Udayastamanam. Similarly, Udayastamanam, Udayaha. So that Udaya Shabda is where I was thinking. Udayam or Udayaha, I am not sure. So I think it is Suryodayaha. So Udayaha. Udayaha cha astamanani cha Udayaha cha astamanani cha etesham samaharaha Udayastamanam. Dhanyawada. Muralidhara.
Ram sir. Sir, Svikara Angikara iti samasa bhavati.
Kelisthala.
Swayam karoti. Svikaraha Angikaraha.
Svikaraha Angikaraha.
You know whether it is Pullinga or Napumsakal. Angikara.
Regarding Svikara, Angikaraha. Karoti iti karaha. But Angikaraha. Whether it is
Swayam karoti, we can Swayam karoti iti Svikara. No.
Swayam karoti iti Svikara na bhavati. Swayam karaha or Swayam kritya. Swayam kritva, Swayam kritya. That can be a Gati Samasa. Puraskaram kritva, Puraskritya. Like that it can be. I will check this and come back to you.
Okay, sir. One more word, sir. Shaityam karoti iti Shaityagaraha. Is it correct, sir?
Shaityam karoti iti?
Shaityagaraha.
Shaityagaraha.
Refrigerator. Refrigerator. Shaityagaraha. Or
Agara means agaraha means something which is stored.
Cold storage. For cold storage, can we?
Agaraha is different. Karoti is different. These two are different.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Dhanyawada, sir.
That is Shaityasya agaraha. Shaityagaraha Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa.
Dhanyawada, sir. Dhanyawada.
Radhika Raghavan.
Namaste, Mahodaya. Anham Ratrinam Samaharaha Diguhu or Samahara Dvandvaha?
Because Samahara Dvandva, because he wants to see, for example, Ahoratram etaihi parayanam kritam. Suppose this is the sentence. So they did the parayanam day and night. How many days they did, how many nights they did, we didn't know. So they must have done for many nights and many days. So Anham Ratrinancha Parayanam Kritam. That is why it is Samahara Dvandva. Dvigu means Sankhya is required. No, where is Sankhya here? Main thing is Sankhya is not there, no, in Dvigu.
Okay, Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavada. Devika Ravi.
Ram Ram Mahodaya, Shubha. Prati Samasa, you said there are 22 Upasargas and they have special meaning for each Upasarga, Mahodaya. Where can we get the meaning of those Upasargas? Are they all used
in my own practice? Class? In my own class in Upasarga chapter, I have discussed this. There is a table. Please see the video. Yes,
Astu Mahodaya. This is the first one. The second one, when we use the word Jaladaha, Jalada, Jaladam. I've understood as Jaladaha as Megaha, Jalada as Vapi, and Jaladam as Samudra. Am I correct, Mahodaya?
Samudraha is also Pullinga. Jaladam you can take as
Jaladam is I mean Samudram is Pullinga. I'm sorry, Mahodaya. I'm not Jalam.
Some Jaladam Mitram. Mitram, a friend who gives you water. That's all.
Astu Mahodaya. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya.
Dhanyavada. Kishore
Sir,
Acharya.
Jaladam.
Tell me.
Jaladam Kopam we can use, sir. Kopas.
Jaladam.
Kopaha.
No, in Prathama Vibhakti we are discussing this. In Prathama Vibhakti it should be Napumsakalinga. So Mitram Kulam. These are the two words which are commonly used.
Sir, this is Kishore Acharya.
Kishorji.
Ram Lakshana. Subvibhakti. What would be the Subvibhakti Rupam?
Subvibhakti Rupam. So
Ram Lakshana. Should we glow?
No. Su au just Subvibhakti is au. After the samasa is formed. So initially the samasas, the Vigraha Vakya stage, the Vibhakti Pratyaya is deleted. And then when they form the samasa Rama Lakshmana, then the Subvibhakti au is added to that because of Dvivachana.
So it would be only Dvivachana for all Vibhaktis?
Not. If it depends on the context. Rama Lakshmano Gachataha. Rama Lakshmanabhyam Rakshasaha Hataha. Then it will be Tritiya Vibhakti Dvivachana.
As Rama Lakshanam.
Rama Lakshmanabhyam Rakshasaha Hataha.
Oh, it would not be like the Aukar, Subvibhakti of Aukara.
Because Tritiya Vibhakti Dvivachana is Bhyam for Subvibhakti. Su aujas am outshas ta bhyambis nye bhyambis, like that.
Okay. All right. The other thing, is it possible to make Rama Lakshana Samahara, Rama Lakshanam?
In Samahara, we have to address them as a group. Now, if main thing about Samahara is Samuharte Anvayaha. So, if individually Rama and Lakshmana are doing the Kriya, you cannot address them as Samahara. Whereas in both, if it is a group, the group does the Kriya. The groupism must be evident. We cannot simply make, that is where we have two types of Samahara, Nitya Samahara and only Samahara. In only Samahara, you can include certain Samaharas, some groups, which can be used separately also. In Nitya Samahara, like Panicha Padaucha, Ratikascha, Ashwarohascha, there you have Nitya Samahara. So we have to be careful about the Samahara. It should, based on the context only, we can decide whether Rama and Lakshmana can be used as a Samahara.
So can you do that with the gods, like you said, Saraswati, Lakshmi, Saraswati? So can we combine Lakshmi Saraswati Samahara and say Lakshmi Saraswati?
You should have a purpose for combining and making them a group. If the purpose is there, you can do it.
See, the reason of my purpose is if I just combine it with the Samahara, then Subhibhakti Rupam becomes very simple.
Oh, for that sake, you can't combine like that. It should depend. It should depend on the sentence and the context, not for the Subhibhakti Rupam, sir.
All right, thank you, sir.
Dhanyawada, sir. Dhanyawada. Very intelligent thinking by Kishorji. Sudarshan Srinivasachar.
The word avignaha, can we make it as nirvignaha as the samasa?
Nirvignaha is a different samasa. We can come in Pradi Bahuvrihi. I will tell you that.
Oh, that's a letter. So second small doubt. The Sutra Dharaga you had explained. There is a word we come across in normal you say Sutra Dhari, the man who plans and schemes. What will be the Vigraha Vakyam for that? Sutra Dhari.
So the pratyaya is different. Dharin, in pratyaya is there. So the in pratyaya, guni, sutradhari, sutradharino, sutradharinaha. So first it will become for in pratyaya.
In pratyaya.
In or nini, it is called nini pratyaya. So they are different pratyas.
Sure, sir. Okay then. I think you will cover later. Okay, धन्यवादः. नमस्कार.
धन्यवाद. रामकृष्ण राव.
Sir, पाणी पादौ अत्र पाणी एकवचनं पादौ द्विवचनं
पाणी द्विवचनं पाणिः पाणी पाणयः पाणी is द्विवचनं
so पाणिपादम् उच्यते किमर्थं पाणिपादौ न
तदेव समाहारद्वन्द्वः पाणिपादं प्रक्षाल्य आगच्छ. So wash your hands and legs. Together we want to address 2 hands and 2 legs.
Panipadam
prakshalya.
Panipadam.
So Panipadau will not become Panipadam prakshalya because it is a samahara dvandva napumsakalinga ekavachana.
Thank you, sir. Namaste. Thank you.
Ram.
Samahara ekavachanam napumsakalinga. Thank you.
Somebody called Tapams, please, you want to ask question? Okay, there is no sound. Raghu Kumar MC.
Namaskara Mahodaya. Punaha Panipadam Chaturangaha Bhavanti Panipadan iti api uchyate sadhu va?
Panipadan prakshalya. No, Panipadam prakshalya. Ekavachanam eva.
Non-angangalai. Okay. Ekavachanam eva.
Ekavachanam eva. Samuharte vivaksha asti ataha ekavachanam eva. If it is nitya samahara dvandva, it is ekavachanam. So I think all the questions are answered. So we will stop the class here. Yenakshara स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महिं महिषाः गो ब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु.